In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account here on chess.com. Let's begin. Now, open chess.com and log in using your credentials, and I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see the gear icon, and I want you to click on it. This will open up multiple options. I want you to click the all settings. In the left side panel of your dashboard, scroll down until you find account, and then scroll down until you find the option that says close your account. Now, before deleting your account, make sure you cancel any active membership. For example, you are subscribed to a gold or platinum membership, you need to cancel that. We have a separate video on how to cancel your membership here in chess.com that you might want to watch if you're interested. But in my case, I'm not deleting my account because I still use it for online games and staying connected with friends. But of course, it's good to know how to do it if you ever need to. Again, all I have to do is click the close your account. You will be asked to type in your password before you confirm closing it. And from here, all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. Okay? Basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete your account here on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.